Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video I'm going to guide you through the process of how to log into Pinterest with your Facebook account. You can easily log into Pinterest using your username, email, and password option, and also your Facebook and Google account. If you want to learn how to keep watching the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. The first thing to do is tap open your Pinterest application. Tap on continue with Facebook, but before that make sure you are signed into your Facebook account as well. You might be asked to enter your Facebook account's credential. If you are not signed into your Facebook, soon after tapping on login with Facebook, I have been signed into my Pinterest account just like that. It is that simple. That is how you can easily log into the Pinterest account with the help of your Facebook account. Just make sure you are logged into your Facebook account on your smartphone so that you can easily log in without any kind of delay. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.